Okay, what we have here today is a Lenovo Idea pad laptop. Some of the specs on it. If I can turn this up. Pause, you want to read. 8 gigabytes of memory, a 1 terabyte hard drive. Let's go ahead and get it out of the box. Here it is out of the box. It's like a metallic silver. Power plug. Instructions. This is the bag the power plug came in. The packaging. Let's see if I can open this with one hand. I think it's backwards. Open it up. 15.6-inch screen. Foam. Button. Number pad. This stupid thing. No clicky on it. Whole thing clicks. Left, right, down. But I got a mouse I'll use with that. So these are a pain in the ass. Idea Pad 330. Stylish design, high-speed Wi-Fi, Dolby Audio. Has Windows 10. Supposedly has Bluetooth built in. Intel inside. Now let's see. Power button here. You can see that. Doesn't even have a charge. Got light.
And we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. You can use your voice or the keyboard along the way. And if you'd like me to stay quiet, you can just mute your PC. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to enable narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in.
That's new.
Your region is set to the United States. Is that right? Your keyboard is set to US. Do you also type with another keyboard layout? Now let's get you connected to a network. That way you can get updates, apps, and cat videos as soon as possible.
Cat
How about
videos.
the first one on the list? Want to use that one?
Notice it says 2GEXT. That's because that goes through the extender. That's the one I want. You got the 2 and you got a 5. Both of the options from the Nextel extender that I got running the Ethernet, the internet through. So obviously I'm gonna connect to the extender because it works better than just going through it plain. Then I got to enter the code. Alright, so that's entered. Hit enter, see if I typed it right. I'll hook the wireless mouse up to this once I get this thing up and running.
Mission accomplished. You're all linked up. Now we can go look for any updates.
This will be fun.
Next up, the legal stuff. In short, you'll need to select Accept to use Windows. You can decline, but then, you know, no Windows.
Link your phone and PC. No, I ain't gonna go through all this. Not just linking them up. Later. Let me save this for now. I think you gotta subscribe to that. And for privacy, this is what I chose to do. I'll leave that one on. But everything else is pretty much off, including Cortana for that. Protect your device. Just leave that one. Everything else is turned off. I don't want McAfee. Well, it's a trial version they put on here anyway, and I'm not going to register for it. Okay, so we're at the home screen, just checking for updates. That's the background right now. Date and time are off. Today's Saturday, the 14th. And it's not 6:46 a.m. Move this out of the way. It's 6:43 p.m. and today is the 14th. So I got to figure out how to go in there and adjust that. It's on charge. I got about an hour left on battery. So let me play around with this for a while and we'll come back. Alright, so we're downloading updates to Windows version 1903. The time, I went into settings and messed around with it and manually set it. Then I found another way where you can sync it to internet time. So I did that. Now it changes exactly when that one changes, roughly. So now it's 7:12. So that's working now. Now I just gotta get all these updates. Alright, day 2. Trying to get this up and running. All updates have been installed, and I'm just trying to get the stupid antivirus to install. Trying to get AVG to install. Tried a couple times last night. It downloads and supposedly installs, but then it doesn't show up anywhere. McAfee's a trial version. I'm not going to pay for it. So at least get this free one to install. It's on the desktop, but it doesn't want to install on here. It looks like this time it took. I went into passive mode because, you know, McAfee's installed, but I'll install that later. So I click turn off passive mode, so this way it will activate. So hopefully this time I can get this one working. It's not some kind of Lenovo thing on here at the moment. Takes a while because it's brand new to get everything up and running. Now for Lenovo Vantage, like an automatic update type thing. No, I don't want to collect information. No, I'm not going to let you access the microphone. No warranty. That's not brand new. Alright, let me deal with this. Alright, finally got the antivirus up and running. Had to reinstall it because it didn't install properly. Got the mouse hooked up. Go ahead and see how the audio sounds with the onboard speakers. Turn that off so Susan don't complain. I got like a Cyberlink by Power Director watermark there, so I gotta probably uninstall that because that's installed from the factory. So I gotta get rid of that, get rid of the watermark. So okay, went to another video. It doesn't have the watermark either. So just that one video. Alright, now that the speakers are tested, go down to the Windows logo, click on Documents, click on this PC, click on Computer, and you can go uninstall or change the program. All the different features that are here while it loads. You can scroll through and delete what you don't want, I have to delete these. So that's that. DVD R drive, W drive. Super slim. Everything's got a damn QR code on it now. Our DVD here is just upgrading the Power DVD 19 because certain iPhones and GoPros, whatever, don't work with this type of Windows 10 system. My GoPro knockoff works in MP4 for video, so I'm good for that. This doesn't support Blu-ray anyway unless I upgrade it. So supposedly it's got Bluetooth. So let me see if I can get that set up and going. And Bluetooth is working. That's working. Alright, got a shine down DVD here. Stick it here for a second. Let's see if this works. Alright, let's go to the Power DVD. Must be the register, not now. See if it plays without a watermark. Alright, so that's playing no problem. Only issues with the Bluetooth, the audio is like a second off. But everything does, even my phone when hooked up to a Bluetooth external speaker was like that too. Headphones don't do it, just external speakers. For whatever reason. Escape. Alright, so it plays DVDs no problem. So that's pretty much gone over everything. It's got USB 2 and USB 3. So that's about it. Took a couple days because I didn't have time to fully devote my time to getting this up and running. Webcam. So that's it.